In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Outlook calendar for beginners. Let's dive right in and make scheduling a breeze with this essential tool. When you first open Outlook, head over to the calendar view. You do this by clicking the calendar icon located on the left sidebar. Right away, you'll notice the main elements that make up the Outlook calendar interface. On the left side, you'll find the navigation pane. This houses the month view and allows you to toggle between your personal, shared, or group calendars. It's a quick way to manage multiple schedules without any fuss. Moving up to the toolbar, also known as the ribbon, at the top of the page. This is where you can really start customizing your calendar experience. From here, you can create new events, alter how you view your calendar, and even share your calendar with others. It's the central hub for all your scheduling needs. Now let's talk about the main calendar view right in the center. This is where all the action happens. You can choose to view your schedule by day, by the work week, which focuses on Monday through Friday, or by the entire week. There's also the month view if you like seeing a broader overview. Each layout offers a unique perspective, so be sure to try them out and see which one suits your style best. On the top left, you'll see the mini calendar. This is a great tool for quick navigation between dates. Just a quick click and you can flip from one date to another without scrolling endlessly. Within the top toolbar, an important feature is the ability to change your calendar's appearance. You've got several options here. The day view lets you focus on a single day's schedule. If you're planning for the work week view shows only weekdays. The week view includes all 7 days, while the month view gives you a complete overview of everything planned over the next 30 or so days. If you work with multiple teams or have numerous agendas to manage, the split view feature is invaluable. It shows multiple calendars lined up for easy comparison. Let's talk about adding a new event. Simply click New Event in the top left corner, or you can double-click directly on a time slot of your choice. In the dialog that appears, start by giving your event a title. Set the date and time for when your event will start and end. You can also specify a location, which can be a physical address or, if it's online, a Teams meeting link. Add any description you like, detailing the agenda or attaching relevant files. If you're organizing a meeting, you can add attendees by typing their names or their email addresses. Then just click Save for personal events or Send if you're inviting others to join. And there you have it. You're now ready to make the most of the new Microsoft Outlook calendar. Enjoy seamless scheduling and stay organized with ease.